can start to.
Literally, it was a giant ass bee thing. And hey guys, as you can see, I am outside of my house today because I'm going to do something that I've never done before, which is fly 2 drones. And we have these 2 drones from DJI Philippines. We have the DJI Lito series. So we have the Lito 1 and the Lito X1. Full disclaimer, I have never flown drones before, and because my boss, Gian from Gadget Pilipinas, decided it would be a great time for me to get my first experience at, you know, bully siya. I am deathly afraid of heights. So this is going to be an interesting, challenging experience. And I hope we all learn how beginner-friendly the DJI Lito series is. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use to fly the drone. This is the DJI, sorry na, DJI RC2. We're gonna use this to fly both the Lito 1 and the Lito X1.
For beginners, especially if you have no experience with flying a drone, I highly suggest you start first with a launching pad. We don't want to cut our fingers.
Oh, so what did I do a while ago?
What's the difference between...
It turned on anyway!
Okay, so the propellers has launched, and then if you're ready to fly, you use the left joystick and lift it up. More. Yeah. So in terms of basic controls, the left joystick allows you to lift the drone upwards and also downwards. And it also rotates. The right joystick, you're moving forward.
Okay.
You're moving backward.
Hi, the bird.
Yeah, I know. Alright.
Oh my god, it's free. Oh my god, it's so high up.
Okay.
Huwag kang umupo!
Kasi ko alam. Okay. It's so high up. So I'm gonna have to land
So
it
now
now.
you have to land it, and then you can now bring it down.
Yeah, you're doing good.
Yay! Look at that!
Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect! Look at that, oh! Oh!
You just launched and landed your first drone
Oh my god.
safely.
Wild.
Oh, very nice. Huh?
Heart attack much.
Take off.
Ooh.
Home
Ooh.
point update.
Hi. I'm gonna land it now just so that we have.
Landing.
Oh!
Nice!
I did it! So we just finished flying both the Lito 1 and the Lito X1. Definitely would not recommend to somebody who is afraid of heights like me. But if you want to try out flying drones, definitely check this series out from DJI. The DJI Lito series is not that hard to fly, but I think it would be easier if you actually had that controller that I was using. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
So tasty!